Hey everyone, this is Max Edson, co-founder of PRYCD, and I'm here to walk you through our out-of-county owner to total parcel ratio map. And ultimately what this map is providing you with is a breakdown on a percentage basis of those property owners that own a property within a certain county but don't actually live in the county itself. And so to get this value, what we're doing is calculating the total number of owner records that do not live in the same county as their parcel and dividing that number by the total number of parcels in that county as a whole. And so we're able to provide you these values on a county by county basis across the United States. And the reason why this is important is because it's one of the common theories amongst investors is that the further they are away from the property that they own, the more likely they are to potentially sell that property to you. And so if you look in the top right hand corner, you'll be able to see the legend where the lighter the county is, the fewer out-of-county owners there are, and the darker that county is, the more out-of-county owners there are. So as an example, if you wanted to look into counties that had a higher or greater percentage of out-of-county owners, what you would want to do is just type in a certain percentage, let's say 40% or higher, and it would filter out those counties that don't necessarily meet that criteria. And then you could target those in particular that do. So please like, share, subscribe if you want to learn more, and enjoy.